Hey everyone, and welcome. So glad to have you here today. Did you know that even native English speakers make grammar mistakes all the time? It's true. Fluency isn't about perfect grammar. It's about being able to communicate effectively and confidently. And that's exactly what we're tackling in today's video. Boosting your English fluency. If you sometimes struggle to express your thoughts smoothly in English, or if you find yourself pausing and searching for the right words mid-conversation, you're in the right place. This video is packed with practical tips and techniques that will help you unlock your inner English speaker and communicate with greater ease and confidence in any situation. We'll be looking at some common fluency roadblocks and how to overcome them, exploring how to build your vocabulary in a way that actually improves your speaking, and sharing some simple but incredibly effective exercises you can start practicing today to see real improvement. Imagine being able to effortlessly participate in conversations, share your ideas clearly, and connect with people in English without hesitation. That's the power of fluency, and we're here to help you achieve it. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I've tried so many things, and nothing seems to work. I get it, but trust me, the strategies we're sharing today are different. They focus on building practical, real-world communication skills, not just textbook knowledge. And for those of you who stick around until the very end, I've got a special bonus tip that will help you supercharge your fluency practice and see even faster results. So, are you ready to unleash your fluent English speaker? Let's dive in. The aroma of frying onions and sizzling sausages hung heavy in the air, mingling with the excited chatter of the crowd. The annual Taste of Our Town chili cook-off was in full swing, and I, Amelia, was right in the thick of it. My best friend, Chloe, the ever-pragmatic one, stood beside me, meticulously organizing our supplies. My cousin, Leo, a whirlwind of nervous energy, paced back and forth, muttering about spice levels and consistency. We were competing. Okay, so, just to clarify, Chloe began, adjusting her glasses. We have all the ingredients prepped. The garnish is ready. And the tasting cups are stacked. Leo, stop pacing. You're making me dizzy. Leo stopped mid-stride, running a hand through his already disheveled hair. But what if the judges don't like it? What if we're not spicy enough? Or too spicy? What if, Leo, I interrupted gently, placing a hand on his arm. We've practiced this recipe a dozen times. It's delicious. Remember what Mrs. Henderson at the community center said? Bold flavors, perfect balance. Those were her exact words. He took a deep breath, the tension visibly easing from his shoulders. Right. Bold flavors. Perfect balance. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. The contest was divided into 3 rounds. Taste, presentation, and originality. Each round was judged by a panel of local food enthusiasts, including the formidable Mr. Garcia, owner of the town's most popular restaurant. The first round, Taste, was a blur of nervous smiles and hurried explanations of our chili's unique blend of spices. We watched anxiously as the judges sampled our creation, their faces giving nothing away. Mr. Garcia, a man of few words, simply nodded, his expression unreadable. "How do you think we did?" Leo whispered as we retreated to our station. Chloe, ever the realist, shrugged. "Impossible to tell." Mr. Garcia's nod could mean anything. He could have loved it, hated it, or been thinking about what to have for dinner tonight. The second round, presentation, focused on how the chili was served. Chloe, the mastermind behind our rustic chic aesthetic, had crafted tiny, edible bowls from baked cornbread. They were a hit. Even Mr. Garcia cracked a small smile as he admired our innovative presentation. "Just to be clear," Chloe explained to one of the judges, pointing to a small sprig of cilantro garnishing the chili, "the cilantro is optional. Some people find the flavor a bit overpowering, so we wanted to give people a choice." The final round, originality, was where we hoped to truly shine. Our secret ingredient? A hint of dark chocolate, subtly enhancing the chili's rich, smoky flavor. It was a risk, but we believed in our unique recipe. As we explained our unconventional choice to the judges, a murmur rippled through the crowd. Some looked intrigued, others skeptical. Mr. Garcia raised an eyebrow, a flicker of curiosity in his eyes. He took a spoonful, savored it for a moment, then another, and another. The tension was palpable. Finally, he looked at us, a slow smile spreading across his face. "This," he declared, "is truly something special. Bold flavors, perfect balance, and a surprising twist that elevates the entire dish." We held our breath as the judges deliberated. The minutes stretched into an eternity. Then, the announcement came. Third place, not us. Second place, still not us. Our hearts pounded in our chests. And the winner of this year's Taste of Our Town Chili Cook-Off is... The announcer paused for dramatic effect. Team Chili Champs. We erupted in cheers. Leo jumped up and down, whooping with joy. Chloe, though trying to maintain her composure, couldn't suppress a wide grin. I felt a wave of relief and elation wash over me. We had done it. Later, as we packed up our station, Mr. Garcia approached us. "Just wanted to clarify something," he said, his eyes twinkling. "That chocolate, pure genius. It was the element that set you apart. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes, the most unexpected combinations create the most memorable flavors." We beamed, basking in the praise. The experience had not only earned us a trophy but also a valuable lesson in culinary creativity and the power of clear communication. It had also strengthened our teamwork and deepened our friendship. And as for my English, explaining our chili's unique qualities to the judges and answering their questions had given me a boost of confidence in my spoken English skills. It was a victory in more ways than one. Speaking practice. Practice speaking this sentence aloud. Just to be clear, Chloe explained to one of the judges, pointing to a small sprig of cilantro garnishing the chili. "The cilantro is optional." Some people find the flavor a bit overpowering, so we wanted to give people a choice. Pay attention to the intonation and clarity of your speech. Vocabulary explanation. 1. Pragmatic. Dealing with things sensibly and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. Example. Chloe took a pragmatic approach to packing for the trip, bringing only essential items. 2. Palpable. So intense as to seem almost tangible. Example. The tension in the room during the final judging was palpable.